Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem statement, that is valid palindrome. This is problem number 125. So here we have given a definition for palindrome. It says like after converting all the uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, if we will able to read it from forward as well as from backward, and if it is same, then we will consider that particular string as valid palindrome. It also mentioned here like we have given a string, and what we have to do, we just have to return true if it is palindrome, false otherwise. Okay, so this is the input string, and what we have to do, we just have to first step, convert everything in the lower case. After converting in the lower case, second step is remove all non-alphanumeric characters. And then at the end you will be left with this string, and then what you have to do, you just have to read it from forward as well as from backward. If it is same, then we will return true, or else we will return false. Let me quickly jump to the board and we will discuss one example with this. So in this example, I'm taking a string as madam, where we have the combination of uppercase, lowercase, and this is white space. Okay. So the first step, as we discussed, we will convert this string in the lowercase. So it will become like this, madam with white space. Okay. Then what we will do, we will just remove all sort of non-alpha numeric characters. So that is white space. So it will become like this, MADAM. Then what we have to do, we just need two pointer. The first pointer is known as left and second pointer will be known as right. Indexing, we will do it here itself like 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left pointer will initialize with 0, right pointer will initialize with the last index. So in this case, it is 4. Now your left pointer is at this position, right pointer is at this position, and what you have to do, you just have to compare the character. If it is same, then we will increment the value of left pointer and we will decrement the value of right pointer. Likewise, we will do, and what we will do at the end, we will simply return true if it doesn't find any kind of mismatch. If there is any mismatch, for an example, instead of A, let's say here we have F, so this will not match. In that case, from then and there itself, we will return false. Let me quickly jump to the LeetCode compiler and will write the code for the same. Okay, so first what I am going to do, I am just adding some sort of validation. If the given string is null, then what we will do, simply we will return false from here itself. Okay. And as we discussed, the first step itself, like we just have to convert this given string in lowercase. So two lowercase I'm using here. After that, we have to create one left pointer which will start from first index. Okay, so it will be 0. And then we have to create right pointer which will be the last index. So it will be s dot length minus 1. Now we'll start the loop. If while the left pointer is less than right pointer, till then this loop will continue. So the first scenario, what if we will have some sort of non-alphanumeric character? So what we will do, simply we will ignore that. So how we will do that? So we'll write one condition here, like if the left is less than right and the character is not either letter or digit. So we have a class called character class. There we have a method called is letter or digit. Okay. In this, we are going to pass char at of left. Okay. At the end, if there is non-alphanumeric, so we will increment the value of left. So what we are doing, we are skipping those values. Similar thing we will do for right. Again, same thing. If the value of left is less than right and whatever character we have is not a valid letter or digit, so for that, what we will do, we are using this or digit. Okay. s dot char at of right. In this case, what we will do? We will decrement the value of right. At last, what we have to do? We have to check if the value of left is less than right. Then we'll do one more check. If now we will check the character. If the first character, whatever we have in left side, that is s dot char at of left, if it is not equal to s dot char at right, then what we will do? From here itself we will return false. It means this is not a valid palindrome. At the same time, we will increment the value of left and we will decrement the value of right. This is the step we have to follow, and at the end we just have to return simply true. So let me quickly write this one as return true. So let me execute this code and we'll see whether we are getting expected output or not. Okay, so here you can see all the three test cases passed successfully. Let me submit this solution. Okay, so all 487 test cases passed successfully. This is the approach we have to follow in order to solve this problem statement. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.